In today's video, I'm going to show you how to jump to any slide in PowerPoint instantly during a presentation. Whether you're in the middle of a meeting, a class, or a live presentation, and someone asks you to go back to a specific slide, these quick methods will save you time and make you look more professional. I'll walk you through two simple ways to do this, using the slide number with the Enter key and using the G key method to see all slides and select the one you need. Make sure you watch until the end so you can use whichever method fits your presentation style best. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's start with the first method, jumping to a slide using the slide number and the Enter key. This is the fastest method if you already know the slide number you want to go to. First, start your slideshow. You can do this by going to the Slideshow tab and clicking From Beginning, or simply pressing F5 on your keyboard. Once you're in presentation mode, navigate as you normally would. Now imagine someone says, "Can you go back to slide 15? Instead of clicking through multiple slides, just type 15 on your keyboard and then press Enter. Instantly, PowerPoint will jump directly to slide 15. That's it. It's that simple. You don't need to click anywhere before typing the number. As long as you are in slideshow mode, PowerPoint automatically detects the numbers you type. This works for any slide number in your presentation. For example, if you want to jump to slide 3, just type 3 and press Enter. If you want slide 27, type 27 and press Enter. This method is perfect for Q&A sessions, interactive meetings, or when you need to quickly reference backup slides at the end of your presentation. Now let's look at the second method, using the G key to view all slides and select the one you want. This method is especially helpful if you don't remember the exact slide number but can recognize the slide visually. While you're in slideshow mode, simply press the G key on your keyboard. As soon as you press G, PowerPoint will display all your slides in a grid view. This is sometimes called the All Slides view. From here, you can see thumbnail previews of every slide in your presentation. Use your mouse to click on the slide you want, and PowerPoint will immediately jump to that slide in full presentation mode. This method is great when someone says, "Can you go back to the slide with the sales chart?" and you're not sure what number it was. Instead of guessing, press G, visually locate the slide, click it, and you're there. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also use the arrow keys to move between the thumbnails after pressing G, and then press Enter to select the highlighted slide. This gives you both mouse and keyboard control options depending on your setup. So to quickly recap, if you know the slide number, just type the number and press Enter while in slideshow mode. If you don't know the number and prefer to see all slides, press G to bring up the grid view and select the slide you need. Both methods are fast, simple, and extremely useful for delivering smooth, confident presentations. Mastering these shortcuts can really improve the flow of your presentations and help you respond quickly to questions without breaking your momentum. Try practicing both methods a few times before your next presentation so they become second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips, shortcuts, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.